I'm available for all sort of myitlab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Employee Wage. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow. And you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. And please reach me out for your other courses like myitlab Accounting, myitlab Finance, myitlab Excel, myitlab Word, myitlab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing and many more online courses. You can simply contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Okay, I can do all online courses on myitlab, Pearson, Cengage, Mintap, MC Grahil, Simnut, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. If you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is Exp25. Okay, first I will increase the font size for a proper view in my video. Then I will highlight it. Okay, I will highlight this. Now you can see the title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Mid-Level 2 Employee Wage. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now we will move on the next. First I will increase the font size of this instruction file for a proper view in my video. Okay, increase this and then I will highlight this. Okay. Question number 1 is that start Excel. Okay, zoom it. Start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Wage Excel as Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay, basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson myitlab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I am opening my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. Click on enable editing button. Now we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 2. The question number 2 is that create range names based on the value in the range I10 to I11. Okay, create range names based on the value I10 to I11. We will select this range first, I10 to I11. We will have to enter a range in the range area. This range will be selected. Now, 1 second, I10 to I11. Go to the formulas tab in the defined names group and then we will click on create from selection, left column and click on OK button. Okay, now we will move on. Next question is question number 3. Edit the range names gross earnings so it displays as gross. Okay, we will have to edit the range names gross earnings so it displays as gross. We will go to our Excel workbook and then simply go to the formulas tab in the defined names group. Click on name manager button and we will select this gross earning feed. Click on edit button, so we will only display gross. We will click on OK button and it will be display only gross instead of gross earning. Okay, now close it. Okay, 2 question is done now. Now moving on question number 3 question is done now. Now moving on question number 4. The question number 4 is that apply the gross and total wage paid range names to the formula in cell I12 using the apply range name method. Okay, apply the gross and total wage paid names to the formula in the I12. We will click on cell I12. We will gross earning minus total wage paid. Then we will press gross minus total wage paid. Okay. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 5. I have done 4 questions so far. The question number 5 is that load the solver and add it. If it is not available, set the objective cell to min total wage paid F13. Simply load the solver. We will go to the data tab. Go to the data tab in the right bottom. In the analysis group, click on solver button. Okay, solver is loaded. Set the objective cell to min total wage paid F13. Okay, F13 and click on min checkbox. Okay, we will select 13 and click on the min checkbox. Now we will next point. Please focus on my laptop screen. The next is question number 6. Assign horse where range E5 to E12 as the changing variable cells. Now we will enter the changing variable cell E5 to E12. Okay, if you do not ever do this assignment, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. Okay, by changing cell E5 to E12, E5 horsepower column E5 to E12. Okay, select this E5 to E12. Okay, this is good. Now we will move on next point. Please focus on my laptop screen. I am doing this question. If you do not ever do this assignment, you can contact me. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. Question number 7 is that set a constraint to ensure hours schedule per employee as whole. Okay. Now you can see the total question of this